One of the biggest games in history has been the Halo saga, and my question right now is, will you play Halo 4 in 2020? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Halo 4, in the first 24 hours, it only sold $220 million. In all the history, it had sold 5.57 million copies of the game. So we have been playing Halo 5, the next game of the saga, since 2015. So does it worth to buy a Halo 4 copy right now? These games have been remarkable for the saga since Halo 3. So I want to show you if does it worth it, so I bought this Halo 4 copy on the marketplace for only 7 USD. So let's crank it open, okay? How you can see, it was a little broken on the right side, but the left side was fine, and I have some troubles to open it. I want to remind you to subscribe and like this video so I can keep making more videos for you guys and keep this channel up. Thank you. I live in Mexico, so I have the Spanish version of this game, but it was completely new. We can see here all the information that the Xbox 360 games has at that time. It says the beginning of a new saga, and that's purely true. Okay, so when we open the box, we can see a 14-day trial for Xbox Live. If you subscribe and like this video, I will upload another video, and there will be steps of how to win this 14-day trial. In the box, we can find the disc 1 and disc 2. This was a little weird to me because I have never played this game, and once I put both games, I realized the second disc is to install the game and install more content about it. So I put in this scenario the disc 1, how you can see here, and let's play some multiplayer. Oh, how you can see here, I'm a new player on this game. This is my main account since 2012. I'm playing some multiplayer here, but how you can see here, there's only 138 players, and let's play a little bit. So I have to say this game has a lot of fun to give, but I recommend it if you are like a more like history player or like campaign player, because the multiplayer here doesn't have too much players. So does it worth it? I have to say yes, it's worth it if you can afford right now a new generation console. But what's matter here is if you're having fun, you can keep that way, okay? So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, please.